अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे SAS न्यूमेरिक ऑपरेटर्स। SAS supports the standard mathematical numeric operators. They can automatically convert between compatible units like minutes can be divided into with seconds, and they will be automatically converted. Numeric operators, expression plus expression operators, adds two values or expressions, or we can say adds the first value to the second value. Expression minus expression operator subtracts the first value from the second one. This needs to be remembered. Expression multiply expression operator multiplies the two values. Expression divide expression operator divides the first value by the second value. Expression percentage expression operates returns the remainder of the division of first value by the second one. It is also called modulo operator. Example, debug 20 pixel plus 10 pixel, output 30 pixel, 20 plus 10, 30 pixel. Debug 5 second minus 20 second, 15 second, 20 minus 5, 15 second. Again, debug 10 pixel multiply by 2 pixel, 10 multiply by 2, 20 pixel. You will know that about pixel multiply by pixel later in this article. Debug 10 pixel over 2, 10 divided by 2, 5. Debug 2 in 5 pixel, 0.2 something, 0.0 something. Unitless numbers can be used with any unit numbers. Example, debug 20 pixel plus 7, 27 pixel. Debug 4 second plus multiply by 10, 40. Numbers with different on you can say incompatible units cannot be added, subtracted or used for modulo operators. Example, debug 10 second minus 5, output क्या error, incompatible units S and pixel. Unary operators, you can also use plus and minus as unary operators in which you need a simple expression. Plus expression returns a value without changing it. Minus expression returns the value as is negative variant. Example, debug plus 5 second plus 4 second 9 second, 5 plus 4 9, minus 6 plus 3 minus 9 second put किया गया. Debug 3 second plus minus 4 second 1. Units, SAS has the great ability to manipulate the units according to their use in daily lives. Real lives, this means when two numbers are multiplicated, their units are multiplied with the values, and the same happens in the case of division. We will understand more these examples. Debug 4 pixel 4 multiply 6, 24, and 10 pixel division by 2, 5 pixel. 10 multiply by 4 and multiply by 2, 40 multiply by S and EM over DG put किया गया. Variable pixels per second, 10 pixel over second. Debug variable pixels per second, output क्या 10 pixel per second. Debug 1 over variable pixels per second, 0.1 pixel per second. Just like this the unit gets cancelled out if are compatible and in division. Debug 1 in over 96 pixel, output 1. Practical implementation. The above operators can be used to make CSS work easily and fast. Example, you don't need to provide the show speed of every component. You create a SAS that gives you SAS of for every component you desire. SAS code. Variable speed 1 second over 50 pixel. Mixin show start stop, left start transition, left stop start speed. Hover left stop put किया गया. और navigation bar include show 5 pixel 10 pixel, button include show 2 pixel 5 pixel. This will automatically give you the following SAS code. Navigation bar left 5 pixel, transition left 0.1 pixel, navigation hover left 10 pixel, button left 2 pixel, transition left 0.06 pixel और button hover put किया गया 10 left 5 pixel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz everyone.